Namaste, Radhe Radhe. Welcome to 5 Day Yoga for Women. Today is day one. We'll practice for hormonal imbalance. If you have PCOD, PCOS, or thyroid related issue, this gentle movement will help you a lot. So let's start with 3 onkars. Sit as per your comfortability. Take deep breath in and out. Oh. 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 Rub your palm, put it under your head and throughout your body. Let's do some warm up movements. Stay on your toe, lay your body tight, stretch your hands towards up. Focus. Hold for 4 to 5 seconds. Now some hand rotation. Clockwise 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll do butterfly pose. This will open up your hip and pelvic area. Legs towards your belly. Do 10 to 15 strokes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, go to Malasana, constipation, piles, digestion, bloating related issue. In Malasana in the best for you. Practice it daily for 10 to 15 seconds. Stretch your knees outside by your elbows. Hold. Relax. Lie down. Bend your knees. Lift your hips up and hold down. Again, breathe in, up, down. In, up, down, and down. Relax. From here, we'll do Viparit Karni or one leg rise. Close your eyes. Focus on your breathing. Stay in this moment for 5 to 10 seconds. If you wish, you can go for 30 to 40 seconds. Also. Lie down in Savasana. 4 to 5 long deep breathe in and out. So your muscles. Release all your stress. Keep close your eyes. From here, we'll do 10 to 15 strokes of Kapalbhati. Let's start. Pranayams will keep your mental health healthier and stronger. From here, we will do 3 sets of Anulom Vilom. Start from left. While breathing, imagine that you are taking all the positive energy into your body. While breathing out, imagine that you are relieving all the stress, tension, all negativity in your body going outside. From here, we will do Brahmari Pranayam. Keep close your ears. Breathe in and breathe normally. Stay in this moment for 2 to 3 seconds. Feel the vibration. So today I completed the day one of 5-day yoga for women. Namaskar Mudra. So say with me. Om Sahana Bhavatu. Sahano Bhunaktu. Sahaviryam Karvavahe. तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ओम शांति 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 rub your palm transfer this energy throughout your body slowly open up your eyes keep the smile on your face namaste so stay happy and stay healthy keep smiling for full videos subscribe to my YouTube channel see you tomorrow and thank you